Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this picture. I'm having a little bit of difficulty trying to figure out what he really wants, but he showed me another picture was wrapped in kind of like a napkin holder, and he wanted the rings equal and be able to tape them together and want to know how you could do that. So I just kind of made one, and you can see the red is a separate piece, and it would fall together exactly. So I'm going to go over this thing a little bit. If you make your item 1 inch tall and you want a 45, there's several ways to do it, but the easiest way that I know of is probably go and convert it to a curve and then change your nut distance to 1 inch, which is the thickness of your width right here. So if you move this node with your left arrow key and move this one with your right arrow key, you get two 45-degree angles. And to kind of always prove that, so you could use that with any number, it doesn't have to be an equal number. You can use the angular dimension tool and you can see that it is 45 degrees. So the key to this is to put this in the center of your page. And this is an optical illusion. It looks like it's tilted first time I did it, but it's dead on. So now let's draw a circle, and we're going to make it about that big, and we're going to hit P. Now we're going to take our circle and start moving it, but then hold down the control button, and it's going to hit the midpoint of that item. Control D and make a duplicate of it. Start moving it, holding down the control button until it hits the midpoint. Now you've got these two. Let's select those two, go up to Object or Effects, Blend, and we'll just blend. He had 4 holes in the middle, so we'll put 4 holes in ours. Hit Apply. Now, kind of the key here, you need to go to Object and break the blend apart, and actually Object and ungroup it so you can cut it with the virtual segment delete key. And I think this is what he's after. Now, after you've done all this cutting, the safest way to not have those parts broken up is to use the Smart Fill tool, and it'll fill it in. And just to kind of prove that it will fit to the next one, you will make a duplicate of it. Control D, turn the duplicate red, and then we'll take that corner right there and put it right there. And you can see they match up perfectly. We'll change that one back to black, and that could keep going forever and ever and ever. I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.